Kene kesin kebasan bagi Bhoi district kadang nak map jog ke Subrto Kop Shakai Shaka national level. We are very proud. Bagi kon senang bat Ktieh jong Bhoi. You are not left behind in the field of games and sports. And then, kabakam so komen susu kalau bagi yo DSO. Ubakade kade kesin kabasau komunong yalam. Bau yo ban yalam yang lain legitim nak keju ke distrik. Ngidon bok baga sarkar kapan yai sa Bobby Bhoi natakadaw mapibrot lain lagi school pio 100%. So a big round of applause for Sir Bobby. Nais kasih layo 100% license but nari Bhoi mentah barok lain lagi categories. Dengan orang jok ya bang begini keren bat ka MDA to government. Ba kanda pensa ya Sir Bobby haduk ba inda yok promotion. Ya keren ya kata Ahmad jong minister puram bat jaka puram bat dak jing sorit ngidon kam sisai to officer bakum kini. Dengan tip Sir Bobby long ide bejur nem bat jing kwa jung ina Bhoi kata kesong hai. Minister sa kong Bhoi ngiso sarong mentah kesenam. Kadai ro kesenam ka ba pediok borong yang ni kong ke district. In the last concluded Meghalaya Games, in the overall medal tally, Yuan Ba'a. Nangta haka football, ngilong champion, but men and women. Kali-kali kebangi pensisa, bakita kide kikna Ialehkai Bhoi. Kari Bhoi district, kalau besar ka contribute yaki football players Shaka state bakal like represent lagi level ko pair hak athletic sha ka North East Games Shaka national games kibabun na ki athlete. We are very proud sir kide na Bhoi. And kung Bhoi, we have got every right to be proud of. Sa ngiso sifat banyatu ipi ba kini Ialehkai football barok lain pilih school kimi na Madan Ktieh ban lek ele Shaka artificial tof denem teng takna and still they have shown their capacity, their capability as players. Nga artutin sibon pada day kiwegi player coach haka Madan Ktieh practice haka Madan Ktieh lagi pun Shaka state level haka artificial tof lakut atas kemudian dia adjust ya Ktieh but artificial tof but you did it boys and girls. Thumbs up to you the three teams. Kaya ko mga munsa lada ke authority ke badan buruk ke jongki kayo snow bat latip mentah na ke level jongki kong minister ngakarai bat ngakermen ngangai banarong kisnam gibanwan ki kena jongi kin sedang Ialehkai na artificial tof bat kin penkut how artificial tof ngim kwa sebanyu i ki kena jongi banalakut ke game kiha pada mare pada wang sano badon ke sano badon ke wa pada site ya ke Ktieh na bijing Ialehkai. We cannot expect bagi player football hadu 2024 2025 kidang hap pada site Ktieh enda lakut bijing Ialehkai. So sir, we do hope that you'll end up this record and we do hope as RBDSA that your presence today will be a positive response from your side, and we expect that you will do something for Bhoi district. Sir, Bhoi district, Kalapanmi, Bhoi district has produced many talented and capable sport persons. As I told earlier, we are not left behind in any field of sport. Even though we don't have any infrastructure in the district. We've done a the day for business, we started a business with a zero balance. Kikna jungi ribuan rukista now zero. Kemudian kamakmat kali Madan Ialehkai tang bangimdon. Tang balade Madan Ialehkai. Ialeh atletik ru mare hakti mare hapum kamlele, but still they emerged champion. And they were selected to represent Meghalaya State. Kata kade ka capacity ka bangidon nang de naribhoy. Sir, we appeal from the Bhoi District Sport Association. Let us work together in the spirit of sport by keeping aside politics. Let us not play politics in the playground. And we want to see that the Sports and Youth Affairs Department of the Government of Meghalaya will not play politics in providing the right thing to the sport persons. Kung Bhoi District Sports Association, Nisokwa Banai, Kajing Play Kerpang, a special thank to the MDA2 government for choosing a very young, dynamic, energetic person to handle the portfolio of sports and youth affairs. So from the Bhoi District, we are having high hope on you and a big expectation, so that in your tenure, let your name, not only your handsome figure, but your name will appear somewhere in Bhoi District. And we do expect that you'll do it, sir. And I expect that in your speech, I will hear something from you positively. Last but not the least, Bhoi District is going to celebrate the Golden Jubilee celebration. So, boys and girls of the three teams, you have done us pride that in the preparation, on the way to prepare the Golden Jubilee celebration of this association, you bring honors and laurels to the district by winning the state level Subroto Cup. Haka jinge job MLA jong ki MLA bro Synod dari Bhoi ngilalai pada kendo ban pendan burong ye kijing job jong ki ringkat bat kijing ya tu bangin sarakhe ya kijing dap san posnem jong kari Bhoi District Sport Association kari Bhoi District ngania tu ye pi Penlego kamtam ikon samla na kayo kumno kala kanek RBDC ban organize ki Ialehkai ki tournament of fair ya ki felicitation dalawan pai natura ha Meghalaya games so felicitate ringkat pak momento bak ki album kumalapan penai president mapi barolai teli school pidam bok pelat but dia don ringkat bat ni bangiyo ban pendon puromipi. It is your day, boys and girls. Bat kai ka bangile batar singi kadai na ka batar jopi mdai na ka batar jomi. It is for you and you and you only. We are not doing this for RBDSA. Ngi consider ya pi. Ngi nyau ya pi. Ngi burom ya jing trai sitom jong pi. But in nyau kor ya ke burom ke piwan ra. Dia nama kata kadau halor kadi. Ngi yoro bantok. Ha ke jing sa jing ken mau jong ke jing rakhe go golden jubilee. Da ke jing jok jong pi lai kedi kitim. Dia bangan stang bat bangin le ya kata. The last part of October mentosnem. Ngidon kam sibon ya ke Ktieh kemon ke Ktieh kadiang jong ke MLA bai jong ke district. Sngewbha yarap lem kersan lem yangi dak kano ke kapasiti ke bapidon. Nang bagane ke jing rakhe jongi kandalong ke bajok ke internet bat ke ba jingon. Nganom ya lai ro. La respond minister isngewi seburom yangi na iru ni kermen ni expect bini raplem na putaga golden jubilee celebration jungi mentausna tingi dona ni makmat armut ke MLA bagi minister ngatarai ngin la ban penyai ya golden jubilee celebration ya ke jumpa ngin saya up ke kebenai. Lastly, my dear boys and girls,
Pidon kam projector ban peni film ne pidon kam projector nak bentai ki awareness program jongpi phun singi ni ai wai shapi pran nyau lai wei khandai Hynrei wei ar nyau lai